Hi, I'm Liz, and I wanted to hop on and give you a quick little demo and my review of my click and carry carriers. So you will see that I have a decent number because I use them all the time. But one of the things I like is that they have this like soft pad portion so that when you're carrying it, either in your hand or on your shoulder, either way, it is padded and comfortable. The other thing is it's easy and it contains the bags. So the difference between this and like some of the other ones that I've tried, they have like you can put it over. But I like that this closes it in so that if I drop it, because sometimes I'm clumsy, nothing falls out. I can just pick it back up and keep going. So it's real easy. You just literally click it open and then click it closed and you're ready to go. One of the things that I like about it is going to the grocery store and you can use it to click your purse handle around the shopping cart handle and click them together so nobody can run away with your purse. Um, but I will tell you the thing that I use it for most often, including groceries, because sometimes I forget them not in the car. Um, but what I use them most often for is when I'm doing house projects. So we recently painted our fence in the backyard. And of course, we were storing all of the paint in the garage. And so walking back and forth, I know I can carry more than 1 gallon of paint at a time, but it hurts your hands, right? So using the click and carry, I'm not that strong to hold it up that long, I can just carry them two at a time, and then I can carry four because I can carry two in each hand. So if you do house projects, this is my favorite use for this. And if you have one and you haven't done this yet, this is a lifesaver. So if you don't already have click and carries at your house between groceries, clicking your purse to your shopping cart, and my favorite for home improvement efforts and carrying paint back and forth, highly recommend that you pick some up for yourself.